Hello everybody, my name is Mehmet Ergin. I'd like to introduce Inspect This today. Avondale is a Salesforce.com app exchange partner. We're proud to present mobile inspections that's powered by the Force.com platform. I'm going to take a little bit of time today and cover three things. Go over some slides. I promise it's going to be quick. I've got 10 slides to cover to introduce our Inspect This background and the concepts behind the application. I will then do a live demo of our application using an iPad and then show you some future highlights of the Salesforce.com application. Inspect This is built for rapid deployment into complicated or simple inspection scenarios, both in the public sector and the commercial sector. It has at its core modules, it has asset management, a robust asset management structure for tracking everything that's out there in the field that you might be interested in inspecting. We have a fully configurable, highly extensible inspections application that is used in the field that will replace all of your paper forms and checklists. We have a work order module that comes and goes hand in hand with inspections, allowing for field technicians to conduct repair jobs, do deficiency tracking, or used for reporting purposes. We have task-based workflows so that your engineering and field service and technicians and your administrators can all collaborate and work together. We have job scheduling so that your inspections assignments run smoothly and efficiently. Using the power of Salesforce.com, we also have lots of process tracking and workflow management built into our application. So why Inspect This? What makes us unique in the ecosystem? First and probably the most important differentiator is we're built on Salesforce.com. We're built on the Force.com platform, which gives us all kinds of functionality that you could not find otherwise in a competing system. Second most important differentiator we have is our mobile applications are native mobile applications, meaning they work on iPads and Android devices in their native application language, as opposed to HTML5 or other web-based technologies. This is the real thing. What it allows us to do, it allows us to go paperless on all of our inspections and audits. It allows you to access all your scheduled inspections, jobs, and work orders right in the field so that you're not reliant on any type of internet connection. So being a native application allows us to work offline and sync in the background. We support predefined workflows that are configurable to your organization very rapidly. Not just replacing paper forms, but you can now add snapshots, pictures, videos, audio recordings so that your inspections are now rich in content. So if you log a deficiency or if there's something wrong, there's a test doesn't match, you can back it up with proofs. We have a complete inspection results review modules built into our cloud-based application so that once the thing is finished, you can do all kinds of routing and viewing and sorting around it. As I said earlier, also we can work online or offline. Offline support is one of our key advantages that we have. Highly reliable access. We can also generate results of inspections in any format using your templated editors that are built in, so you can output your inspections in PDF formats, which I will show you in just a little bit in a live demo. At a high level, the modules that we cover is, one, we have a form engine where it allows you to build any form, replace any form. It literally takes us between 1 to 2 hours to replace any current paper form that you have. So anything that you're using in the field, we have a forms engine. We train the business how to do it, and anybody can maintain and create forms without writing a single line of code. And we support an unlimited number of forms. Native mobile applications gives you high performance, high reliability. They work offline and online. You can view all your results in real time or sync later. We have assignment-based flows as well as ad hoc-based flows. And you can add photos, videos, rich information. Plus we have full GPS tracking so that you can get geolocation information about everything that happened at any time. Wherever inspections are held, work orders are conducted, etc. This is a slide that we put together that shows all of the various different points of the inspection lifecycle. The inspection lifecycle has similarities no matter what type of inspection is being done. So what we've done is over the last 5 years, we have built a robust, super configurable application that covers all the various different components and parts of the inspection lifecycle. From inspection preparation and getting it started, to in progress and during the inspection, any re-inspection processes after submission, recall processes, approval, review processes, deficiency tracking, and work order tracking. We know what's happening at all times as far as there's something waiting for a fix, the cycles of the asset histories, etc. We did this by looking at over 100 different RFPs issued by state and local governments as well as the commercial sector across variety of different domain topics such as facilities management, asset tracking, field service applications, case management, work orders, safety management. Here's some typical stages of an inspection cycle. This is fully configurable in our application, so we can very quickly customize the stages and life cycle of an inspection to a specific organization's needs. We have fully robust reports and analytics and dashboards capability built in. Without taking all the credit ourselves, we leverage Salesforce.com's all-powerful engine for being able to report on any inspection results, inspection processes, work orders. I'm going to show you some live examples in just a little bit. We cover a lot of different industries: safety management, survey management, compliance, quality assurance, factory acceptance testing, runs the entire gauntlet. Before I jump into the live demo, I just want to have a quick word about Salesforce.com and the platform for those of you that might be listening in that's not familiar with it. If you're not familiar with Salesforce.com, I highly encourage you to go to trust.salesforce.com and get more information about the platform, because it is our number one differentiator. Salesforce.com is built on a multi-billion-dollar infrastructure, and it is publicly traded. It's over 15 years old. Half the Fortune 500, or I think more than half the Fortune 500, uses Salesforce.com in some capacity. It's in the United States public sector. It's fully vetted out. In 15 years, there hasn't been a single security incident. The advantages of it being software as a service is it's the brand new way of delivering applications, and you never have to worry about installing, maintaining hardware, software. You just don't have to worry about any type of infrastructure issues. Access it from anywhere in the planet. You can get internet access. With our mobile app, you don't even need internet access to use it. in the field, but the advantages are numerous. No vendor lock-in. Because SaaS applications are subscription-based, you can always choose not to renew if you're not happy. Since we can deploy in literally days, there's very little upfront costs. So there's not going to be a large upfront investment to get this going. And so you can use it as you go, and you can add new users as you go along. So your investments are renewal-based. So if you're not happy, you're not going to renew. So that satisfaction ratios in the Salesforce world are very, very high. We have a 80% retention rate. I think it's actually greater than 80%. Very high satisfaction, no large upfront investments. There's no maintenance headaches. Everything is push upgraded. So you just come in, and one day, voila, you have the next generation of the applications waiting for you. No steep learning curve. There's been literally 15 years of focus groups that Salesforce has conducted on on its user interfaces, and there's no outdated solutions. You're always going to be on the latest. So if you purchase a Force.com based system, then you're always on the latest, most modern technology. So before I dive into the live demo, just last word: if you like what you see here today and you want to check it out yourself, you can go to inspectthis.net, and from here you can get more information, as well as you can click on the 30 days free trial button, and you will see this form. You fill this out, you will automatically get your own login credentials via email, and you will be able to try the application. In order to try the mobile application, you'll also have to download the Inspect This application from iTunes or the App Store, depending on which one you're using. And the credentials that you'll be asked from the App Store will have been sent to you via email if you had initiated a trial. So now I'm going to get to the real heart of the application and do some live demonstrations. Thank you very much. And if you have any questions, please reach out to our team. Thank you.